Khadijah B, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for me, hit a like, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Now, today's video is going to be 5 tips that you need to know when you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. So we're gonna go ahead and just dive right into this. My first tip for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel, definitely think about what you would like to record on your YouTube videos, whether that be a cooking channel, a DIY channel, reactions, anything like that. Just get an idea of what you want your channel to be about. Once you figure out what you want your channel to be about, you'll be able to decide on a name for your channel. A lot of people are starting to use just their names for their YouTube channels, or just it gives you an idea of what you're actually going to be talking about in your video. For instance, if you do Khadijah's mukbangs, then you know on that channel it's only going to be mukbangs. So if you're going to do something specific like that, that kind of limits what you can put on your channel, just because it'll confuse your viewers if you put something like Khadijah's mukbangs and you're doing reaction videos or you're doing something else on that channel. So on my channel, I use Life of Khadijah B because it's going to be about my life. It's going to be entrepreneur videos. I post vlogs. I'm going to be posting just kind of like chit chats, girl talks, things like that. So it's going to be all things about me. So that's why I called my channel Life of Khadijah B. Now, that is something you will definitely want to think about when you're starting your YouTube channel. And then that goes into the third tip. So I'm sorry, those 2 tips are kind of put together. The third tip would be to once you've decided on your name and what you're gonna do your videos about, you will want to make an intro, an outro. You'll want to make your social media overlays for your videos. And you'll also want to create your channel art or anything like that. That way your channel will look more professional. It'll look more established. It'll look more exciting. Because if you don't have channel art on your channel, when someone clicks on your video, they're gonna be like, okay, this channel's kind of boring. And you don't want that. You want the viewers to stay on your channel and watch other videos that you have on your channel. So definitely look into making your own channel art. There's thousands of videos on YouTube that would help you make your own channel art, or you can pay someone to make one. You can go on Instagram or anywhere like that, and you can find easily someone to make your channel art for you. I opted to make my own, and I definitely used YouTube for that. There's a lot of great videos on how to make your own channel art. I think in the future I may make a video for you guys in that, so if you want something like that from me, definitely leave that down in the comment section. So that gives me an idea of if you guys would be interested in that type of video for me. And then as far as your intros and outros, there are videos on YouTube for that as well. So anything that you need for your YouTube channel, you can definitely find it on YouTube. Someone has made a video about it for you. So that's the easy part, just finding somewhere to get that information. Now, if you're not really tech savvy, then I would just suggest paying someone to make it for you. I've seen a lot of people advertise, and they're not really that expensive. So if you want to go that route, you definitely can. So that way you have that clean, professional, established look on your channel. Because even if you're starting out and you don't have any subscribers or any views or anything like that, you want to treat your channel like it's established. So that way you're manifesting that it's going to be an established channel one day. And then my next tip would be to figure out what you're going to record your videos with. So I started recording my videos on my iPhone. I have an iPhone XR or iPhone 10. So I use that to record my videos. I'm actually using that right now to record this video. So you don't need a camera right away. If you're just starting out your YouTube channel, I would not recommend that you buy a camera right away, because cameras are really expensive. I've been researching cameras, and they're $500–600 cameras So they're very expensive, so that's an investment. So I definitely wait a little bit just to make sure doing YouTube is what you want to do, because you may start the YouTube channel and you may find out that you don't really like doing it. So you've invested in this $700 camera that you're probably not going to use. So that's why I say use the equipment you have. If you have an iPhone, you have a camera. There's settings that you can set on your iPhone to let you record better quality videos. So you can mess with your camera settings to get a better quality video, because iPhones really do have great cameras. I actually just recently decided to go ahead and purchase a camera, so I do have one coming, and I can't wait to do the unboxing video for you guys. So be on the lookout for that if you are interested in purchasing a camera. So that video will be up soon. So my last tip for anyone wanting to start a YouTube channel would be to definitely promote on your promote your YouTube channel on all social media platforms. If you've already posted a video, that's great. Post your video on all your social medias. Get your family, friends, co-workers, anyone to watch your video, subscribe to your channel. That'll be a quick, easy way to gain your first 50 to 100 subscribers. Just asking your family and friends on your other social media accounts. That's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, anything like that, Snapchat, any of those sites you can definitely promote on. I do post my link on all those channels. Facebook groups, you can use that. That's very helpful. So just make sure once you do have content on your channel that you are promoting, that it's going to be the fastest way to grow your channel. Now, if you don't have any videos on your channel, still send out your channel link. Get your family and friends to still subscribe to you. That'll definitely be beneficial in the long run. That gets people on your channel, so when you do post a video, they will be the first ones to watch your video. So overall, those are all the tips that I have for you. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, or you just recently started a YouTube channel, definitely use all these tips, so that way you can have a successful, established channel. All right, so that's going to be the end of this video, you guys. So please don't forget to hit a like for me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below.